Are you struggling with always being on the brink of burnout as it relates to your business? Well, I have 3 strategies that you can incorporate that will help you to create the balance you desire and deserve. 1, rest. We often buy into the belief that we have to hustle and hard work our way to success, but when you hustle and hard work, you actually normalize and create burnout, which is not what you desire. So incorporate rest, prioritize rest, and it will literally change your energy and the way in which you show up in your business. 2, don't be afraid to get support. Whether you're getting support from a family member, a friend, an online business manager, or a VA, when you have support, you free up your time, which allows you to spend your time doing things that are actually in your zone of genius. Number 3, create success on your own terms. A big mistake that we make in this online space is we compare our real life to everyone else's highlight reels, and then we wonder why we're ready to throw in that proverbial towel before we even begin. Stop comparing yourself and your success to everyone else, and you'll be able to create it on your own terms, which is a game changer. It will also free you up from things that don't actually matter. So what are you committed to create more balance inside your business?